Hello guys, Abel here. I'm here with my friend Ernest from New York City, and we're going to be testing a 22 Rossi rifle. This currently the caliber it shoots, it's one of the smallest caliber I currently own, and gradually we're going to work our way up to a higher caliber. So let's test fire it right now and see how it shoots. Good. This rifle is the Mini 14, and currently the magazine is missing, and we're gonna load it from the bolt, and that's gonna be interesting to actually see. So here's the caliber. It's a 223 by 5.56 caliber, military grade, and let's see how our friend actually get the job done. This is the M1 Carbine. This rifle has a lot of history to it, and that's the rifle actually the Marine used during World War II in the war in the Pacific. And we are simply going to test fire it by my friend Ernest from New York City. Good. Nice. What do you think about this one?
Amazing, strong,
Oh,
comfortable.
okay. Compared to the other guns, the 22 caliber and then the Mauser, what do you think?
I think from 0 to 10, 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
Okay, which one you like so far?
So far the German one.
The German? Okay, we're gonna test fire that one too. This rifle is a fun size gun, and it's chambered in 22 caliber magnum. That's the caliber, just a little bit bigger than the regular 22. So we're gonna test fire it, and we barely use it. So see how it goes with the fire. Pick it up from there. Nice. Good, good, good. What's your thought on that rifle? Nice. What's your thought? Okay.
Gentle.
Compared to the 22 caliber, the bigger caliber, this is the 22 Magnum. What's your thought on?
This is easier to handle,
Easier to handle.
more precise on a short distance.
And this is actually a pump action compared to the other one is a semi-automatic gun.
Yeah.
And you appear to like the other one better, or
Pretty much they're similar. Just
Similar.
Another one is stronger.
stronger? Okay, good. All right. Boom. The most common guns in the United States of America is the AR-15. As you're looking at the moment, this gun is actually style in M16, but it's definitely a AR-15 and also New York State compliant. So we're gonna test fire it. We got the magazine already loaded with a 223 5.56 caliber. We're gonna slim it back in the gun, and we're gonna test fire it. Perfect. Perfect. And what's your thought on that gun?
Strong, loud,
Okay. Yeah, compared to the
and stable.
quite stable. Compared to the Mini 14, what do you think about?
I think this 9.
Because this is actually the same caliber as the Mini 14. It's the 223 5.56 caliber, and we just wanted to test fire it, and you kind of feel like it's the same vibration, about the same. Okay. The AK-47, one of the deadliest rifle in the world, and it's been used in combat in different countries, especially in the Middle East and Africa. This gun is actually New York State compliant, and part of it, to make it New York State compliant, the magazine won't come out. So we already feed the gun, and we're just gonna bracket and then ready to shoot it. So we're gonna test fire it right now by my friend Ernest, and it's going to be awesome. And what's your thought on this firearm?
9.8.
9.8? Okay. So compared to the M16 AR-15, what do you think?
It's stronger,
Stronger.
heavier,
Nice. And do you
nice feeling.
Nice feeling. Do you think it has a better feeling to it? More than the AR-15?
Better.
Definitely better. Well, in my personal opinion, I kind of like the AR-15 because it's very comfortable and more adjustable. But this gun is very kind of rough, and you can feel it when you hold it. So that's one of the good thing about this rifle. But all the guns are actually pretty cool. So we're still gonna keep moving on, testing fire, some other firearm. This rifle you're looking at from Czechoslovakia from 1920s, used by the German army. We're gonna test fire it on a water bottle.
Power!
And what do you thought about this rifle?
I think this is the one. This is the one which I like.
And what do you think when you compare it to the Mauser BC24?
I think this is more powerful.
And you like this gun better?
Yeah, I like this gun also because it's coming from my ex-country, Yugoslavia.
Ah, that's pretty cool. All right, so now we got the scope on it. We're gonna do some target practice at some bottles very far away, and we're gonna see how stable the rifle actually is.
Cut!
Right?